In today's video, this is the hair extension that we are going to use, and it is from Angels. It is called Afro Bulk. Yes, this is the hair extension that I'm going to be using for my daughter, and I realized that it's going to be the best for her, as I'm going to be explaining to you in this video. When it comes to plating kids, there are those hairstyles that we can always choose that are protective for their hair, because we all know that most of our kids have weak hairlines, and sometimes even their hair is also very weak. So you just need to get the best hair extension that you can always use. So in this video, I'm going to take you through and see how good this hair extension is, and this is how it looks like. So when you get it, it is really packed very well. You just have to get it like this, and then you have to split it somehow to make it more soft. Okay, so when I'm done with that, I can see it is somehow a little bit long, and according to the hairstyle that I'm going to do, I just want it to be a little bit short. So that means we're just going to be we shall cut it into half, just like this. Yes, and I think this is going to be our good size. Alright, so welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and yes, today we're going to see something that is somehow very simple for our kids. Yes, I pray that you learn something from this hairstyle. One, we're going to add in some a little bit. The other extension that I told you is the one that we're going to start with, and this one I'm not going to add any thread. I'm just going to be using her hair, but we all know that maybe some others don't know this, but when it comes to cornrows, it is always the beginning, like where you start from, it what matters. So all these other I'm continuing, this is all fine, but the beginning is the main thing. So you should always focus on the beginning. That's why I've managed to add the hair extension so that I continue until the end. So let's get on with the hairstyle, and I believe most of you know how to do cornrows, but now this is somehow different from the cornrows that you do. Yes, because we always do the updo cornrows, but this is something like on the side way. Yes, that's what I can say, and according to my experience, this one lasts a little bit, like it lasts longer than the updo, so that's why I have to do this corner. So let's get it on with the video and see how it is going to look.
I got blessings falling on me. I got weapons, need no army. That like Tetris, you don't know me. That my fatty, you don't know me. Okay, hey now, it's a new kid on the playground. So many bags on me, you would've thought I was a spray ground. Now they know I don't play around. I can hear what you're saying now. I just doubled up my flight miles. Coast to coast, no they ain't in town. I get rich, watch, then I get a sick watch. Watch me hit the top, I might make a TikTok. Left hand, right hand. Catch the latest trend, I might double up my net worth. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. That's cause he could go on top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the
So now the way I created this hairstyle, when I reached here, I felt like yes, now this is her hair already. It is her natural hair. But when you try to look at it, it is somehow like it is few on her head. So I imagine that if I try to add the extension that is also smaller, because I already done the small corners. So when we add the small extensions, because this afro bulk, the good thing, it does the small twist, and it is the same look with the real hair. So if I add them inside, maybe someone might not understand it well. Someone might think it is all her hair, and that's how I got the creativity to do this. So I think now you get the idea on why I made this. Yes. So if it is for the adults, maybe if the corners are somehow big, we would add the spring twist, the real spring twist for the soft kinky. But on this one, since the corners are smaller and she's a kid, that's why I'm using the afro bulk to make those small twists. So I think now you get the idea of what I was trying to mean. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and please, I always love you to tell me wherever you're watching me from, and I always be happy. And if you still have any question that you can always ask, please, you can go right in my comment section. Tell me what you think about this hairstyle. But for me, I love it already. So for now, I'm gonna be signing out. But remember, I told you that I'm going to be having the live for only those ones who joined membership. Yes, those ones who joined my membership. Yeah, we just have to be having those live broadcasting so that we can chat and we see all these different types of hairstyle. And the good thing is you can make a choice of something that you want to learn. As long as I know it, I'll make sure I give it to you. Bye bye. See you in my other next video.
I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that.